Hello everybody, in this part of Patio opening 2026, let's address the ceiling fans. As usual, they need to be cleaned and go ahead and check the oil. This one, I had an incident with the pull string. I was pressure washing and got a little aggressive and knocked that sucker right out of there. So I had to replace that switch on this one because it's stuck on low. We're not going to need to pressure wash or paint this year. It's still in pretty good shape. So simply a fan cleanup and go from there. In my bucket I have a solution of very warm water with some of that orange Fabuloso that I featured in a mopping video. And then I've got my diluted LA's Totally Awesome degreaser in the spray bottle. So I'll time lapse it. We'll do the 82 and then the 81. Alrighty, the fans are done, repaired. So check the oil in them right quick. 81 tests good. And the 82 tests good as well. So we're all good on oil. So once again, servicing the fans out on the patio for the 2026 patio opening. Thank you for watching.